Your stomach isn't hungry, it's just making announcements. That growl is usually air and fluid moving around, basically your gut throwing hands with digestion.
We need food now!
Calm down, drama machine. The stomach didn't order dinner, it just coughed into a microphone.
Did somebody say hunger?
One growl, and craving starts committing food crimes. Suddenly your brain thinks cookies are emergency medicine.
Stomach noises are not always hunger. Sometimes your body is cleaning, moving, digesting, and making announcements with absolutely no manners.
Follow and subscribe the Body Facts Show. Your body is talking, learn the facts.